What's up, Tater Tots? It's your girl Tati, back at it for another video. And in this video, we're gonna film, I guess, a little chit chat, get ready with me type style thing. I don't really know. I don't even know where this look is going, to be honest, but I wanted to go here and talk to y'all, and I want to be much more upbeat because I tried to film this yesterday, last night, and there was a whole lot going on. I might insert the video here.
What's up, keto? You can't have bread. I'm not eating cheese, but you can't have bread. Yeah.
My bros just look crazy. So
I know. I got a reality check too.
I don't know. But yeah, so she can say, see, I was out of it kind of. I was feeling sad. I've been feeling down. I just feel like it's a whole lot going on with me right now because I'm going to talk to y'all about that in this video. So let's just get ready to do this little chit chat. I'm getting ready for work, by the way. I went and changed into my work shirt so that I wouldn't have to change later. And surprise, surprise, it matches my do-rag. Honestly, I'm going to do my eyebrows last. I know I never really do my eyebrows last, but my eyebrows have been irritating me so much that I don't want to start with them first. So I'm going to put on a little primer and some powder, and we're going to move from there. I'm using my baby skin. And if y'all hear a lot of noise in this video, it's raining outside, and then I have my brushes in a plastic bag because I went to New Orleans. And I packed my makeup for that, and I ain't never really unpack. So yeah. This is honestly gonna be a quick and easy beat. I don't really do much with my makeup, or I haven't been doing much with my makeup lately, so I guess I'm gonna do my everyday look. Y'all, my Laura Mercier is almost gone. I've had it for 2 years almost. And yeah, she dropped on the floor. So she's definitely done for, basically. So I need to get some more. And booyah. I'm going to go to my next step, which is concealer. I'm going to use C15 for Makeup Revolution. This is their Conceal and Define concealer. And I let my concealer sit. I really put on a little more than I usually do, but it's okay because we're doing a beat face kind of. We're doing my look, but a little bit more. So now that my foundation has set, I'm going to take this AOA Studios F19 brush, which I usually use for highlight, but I've been using it for concealer lately. And I'm just going to blend the edges of that concealer. The reason I only put it here is because I can touch the rest of my face. The rest of my face is fine. It blends in with my skin, so it's really just covering up my like dark circles I have a little bit. And I could do this and I'll be good. If I want to rub my nose is fine. And if my nose gets a little oily, I'll be fine. Took off a little bit of powder. And since we use powder to set, our other areas, it gave us a little coverage, but not really much, and everything blends in, really. My face looks basically flawless. So you're almost done, honestly. Now it's time for highlight. And for highlight, I use my e.l.f. highlighting brush, and I go in with 1 or 2 highlights. I use my Makeup Revolution Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold palette, which is a blush palette. But for me, it's a highlight palette because these are really bright highlight colors. And I go in with this. And I go in between. I might use this shade, really any of these shades in here because I really like them. Or I will take my sleek Copperfield palette, kind of broke. And I will use this shade right here. So let's see if you can see. I'll use that shade. And that's actually the shade that I'm going to use today. It is honestly, it's such a pretty shade. And it is natural. Like, these are really natural highlights. If you can see my highlight, it's a little bit white. So sometimes I'll use highlights that are lighter. Like, I have this palette. I'll use this highlight or maybe this highlight because it's a little bit on the pink side, which I like. But it's also a little lighter. And if I don't use a highlight like that, I might use like a bronzy highlight like this. Or honestly, like highlights that are actual brown, like actual bronzy brown. Also great highlights to use for this. You have to know your undertones. Hold on, let me find a highlight that might work. The LA Girl Sensational Highlight Palette has a perfect shade for this. I also have another shade in here. Now, 2 of these broke, sadly. It's more me. I don't think that this breaks too easily. But these are really natural highlights that you could use. It has a great mirror if you want to buy this highlight palette. And like a shade like this will work really good for this. It's kind of taupey, kind of brown. And then I'm taking my Great Lash from Maybelline. And I'm going to put that on my eye. On my eyebrows. Last step, you add some lip gloss. Or some lip balm to your lips. Because we don't have no dry lips. And boom. You're done with your everyday look. I don't add powder under my eyes because I don't have to. My under eyes honestly are pretty kind of dry and my makeup doesn't really move under my eyes. Highlight, you could spray your face. Don't really need to do that. You just spray my face before, so. Only thing I think I'm going to do is add just a little bit of mascara. Just because I don't want my eyes to be completely bare. I hope y'all enjoyed this look. I know it was really quick. And I know I've done a lot of like quick and simple, easy makeup. But I feel like the basics are really important. And I feel like I haven't ever gave y'all a realistic, like, in the rush type of look yet. And this is my realistic in the rush. Like, you could be beat, or this isn't really beat, but you could be cute, popping in 5 minutes or less. Like, this is literally 5-minute makeup. Like, period. Alright, y'all. If you like this potato face, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you like this quick and simple makeup, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it so that you can give the girls who don't really wear makeup a little tip of wearing makeup and like how you can still do a little bit if you want to, or wear a little bit of makeup to just perk yourself up a little bit but still look very natural, still have your same face, and quick and easy out the door, not taking all day to do this. Go ahead and also share just so that we can gain more subscribers to this potato family, okay? And lastly, I mean, if you're not a part of this potato family, you haven't already subscribed or joined, like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can join this potato family and grow with your girl, and grow with your girl, Go ahead and wait, rewind it.